All right, people, so shout out to Soundcore for sending over this Motion 300 speaker. They actually sent over 2 Motion 300 speakers. I'm going to go ahead and utilize both of them when I test out the true wireless stereo sound in here, but more of that a little bit later in this video. This portable speaker is a great choice for anyone looking for high quality audio experience on the go. This Motion 300 speaker has high-res audio sound to elevate your outdoor audio experience. Soundcore says you won't find a better audio experience in a speaker this small.
I know, but we shall see.
It also has Smart Tune technology, which is Soundcore's exclusive adaptive technology, which automatically adjusts to the direction and orientation of the speaker to deliver the best sound in any scenario. It also delivers a powerful 30-watt stereo sound in the palm of your hand. You don't have to sacrifice sound quality when you're on the go. Ultra long playback time with an impressive 13 hours of battery life, and it's outdoor ready with an IPX7 waterproof rating. So with all that being said, people, stick around. Let's talk about this for a minute.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
All right, people, so quickly go around this box on the front side. As you can see, you do have an image of the speaker right here. It says Motion 300, high-res sound, anytime, anywhere. On the back side, it covers the specs that I quickly talked about on intro. 30-watt high-res sound, Bluetooth 5.3, 13 hours of playback time, IPX7 waterproof, customizable 9-band Pro EQ, which I'll talk about when I start talking about this app, and then also with the Smart Tune that automatically adjusts the EQ. There really isn't that much going on inside of this box. All you get is this speaker right here, and then you also get your USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable, which is right here. Soundcore was nice enough to send me 2 of these speakers over right here. I don't mean to sound too picky, but I wish they would have sent me over 2 different colors, because this does come in 3 different colors. You have this black color right here, you also have a green, and you also have a blue. Now this speaker does go for around $70 right now, and very quickly going back to the battery on here, yes, it is a 13-hour battery life, but that is when you have the volume playing at 50% with the bass up off. That's when you'll get your 13 hours of battery life. If you like to party, like to have it at 100% with bass up on, the battery life will not last 13 hours. I just wanted to throw that out there just to make you as the consumer aware of the actual battery time in this speaker right here. And then also it takes around 4 hours to charge this speaker back up. But as you can see, there is a 3D metal design grill on the front side right here. You do have your Soundcore logo, which is a nice touch. You have this carrying strap. It is detachable if you want to clip it to a bag or something. On the back side, you have some vents for, I want to say, heat dissipation. You also have some rubber feet on the back side as well. So if you want to set it down and have it playing just like this, you can. You also have some more rubber feet on this part, so you can have it sitting like this, or you can have it sitting like this. Either way it goes, you'll be good money. And that's what Soundcore was talking about when I mentioned the Smart Tune technology in here. So it automatically adjusts the EQ no matter if you have it laying down like this, sitting up like this, or strapped onto a bag just like this. It'll automatically adjust, but you do have to select that option inside the app, which I'll cover here in a little bit in this video. It's ink splash design on here, silicone exterior, very soft to the touch, nice feel. You also have your USB Type-C charging port on the outside right here. There is a microphone in the top left of this speaker right here for phone calls, which is a nice touch if I do say so myself. You have your buttons on the top right here. So you have your power button, your Bluetooth button, your bass up button, another Soundcore logo, volume down, volume up, and the play pause button. And also this play pause button does double as track forward and track back. All right, people, so you do end up getting 2 Motion 300 speakers and you want to pair them together so you have that truly wireless stereo sound. What you want to do first is just power them on. Once you power them on, go to your mobile device and pair both of them individually. I have it set up as Soundcore Motion 300A and 300B. When you want to hook them up together, what you want to do is just hold down the Bluetooth button. So you hold that down, you'll get that sound. That means that they are connected together. Now, as you can see, one Bluetooth light is blue, this one over here is blue, and then this one right here is white. That means that they are hooked up together and they are in truly wireless stereo mode. In true Soundcore fashion, yes, they do have an app for this, and it is right here, which is this Soundcore app. I already have it hooked up. As you can see, it says not connected, but it automatically will connect once it's reading that it's connected. Click on that, update firmware. I'm not going to do that right now because I just don't feel like it, simply because it'll take me longer to shoot this video. But I will make sure I do that after this video is done. At the very bottom, you have this extra bass, and this goes into if you want the Smart Tune adaptive EQ on. You can turn that off and on right there. You also have your presets at the bottom, so you can do Soundcore Signature, X-Bass, Voice, and Balance. And then if you go back and hit Custom, you can choose a custom EQ for either direction that it's in, whether it's standing, hanging, or lying down. I just normally keep it on Soundcore Signature and rock out with that. And then underneath the settings button, you have your voice prompt, your clipboard permissions, your brightness of the buttons. And then as you can see, I do need to update my firmware. And then you also have the volume slider and also this play and pause button. And that's pretty much it. That is all that this app offers, and I really didn't expect too much more out of this app. So when it comes to sound quality, people, like I said earlier, there are two 15-watt full range speakers inside of this device right here, which gives you that 30-watt dual driver and supports LDAC high-res audio.
What the hell did you just say?
And then for the people in the back that don't know what LDAC high-res audio is, I'm gonna go ahead and let ChatGPT break it down for you really quickly. So it says, LDAC is a wireless audio technology that was developed by Sony. It allows you to stream high resolution audio over Bluetooth connections at up to 990 kbps at 24 bits. And go ahead and feel free to pause this video so that you can read the rest of that. The speaker plays loud for its compact size and outputs a reasonable amount of bass, in my opinion, giving the sound a certain amount of depth and richness that you don't typically find in a speaker in this price range or size. The speaker offers full stereo sound, which I just showed you how to hook that up. I will also play that for you when I play the music through here. And also with the truly wireless stereo technology in here, you can get a true stereo sound that's perfect for larger rooms and outdoor events. All right, people, so this is at 50%. I'm gonna go ahead and let it drop. All right, so that's at 50%. Sounds really, really good in my opinion. I'm going to turn it up to 100 so we can get some better sound out of it. 100% right there. All right, so now I'm gonna cut the other one on and get that truly wireless stereo sound and see how that makes y'all feel. Yep. Both of them on. I can speak right here.
This ain't Soul Train.
And that was my sound check of these speakers. They sound amazing. I mean, one sounds good, but two sounds even better. I'm going to keep it all the way 100 with you. Very, very good when it came to the lows. It wasn't pushing too much out to distort in the sound, so you had the nice detailed sound when it came to the highs and the mid-tones. Very crystal clear highs, and it's just an all-around good sound when it comes to a small portable speaker of this size for $70. Now, if you want to drop $140 and get two of these, it will just sound even better. Trust me, people. But one will get the job done. I'm not going to say that one won't get the job done. Soundcore's done it again. They put out a quality product for $70. And $70 is a very good price range coming up with the holiday season right now. You want to give someone a nice speaker for a decent price. This is something that might interest you. And that's all I got for you people. That is my full rundown, quick review, unboxing, whatever you want to call it, of the Soundcore Motion 300 speaker. And overall, people, this Soundcore Motion 300 speaker is a great choice for those looking for a portable Bluetooth speaker that delivers high quality audio at an affordable price. It's compact, has an outdoor ready design, sounds powerful, and the cost is manageable, like I said, at $70. It also has a waterproof build that supports LDAC codec. The speakerphone feature is also a plus, if I do say so myself. So with all these features for $70, to me, it's a no-brainer that this speaker is a great option to pick up if you're in the market for a new Bluetooth portable speaker, or if you just want to give it to someone else for Christmas or for a birthday. Whatever you choose. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.